Let's go.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I'm standing in our newest project, which is a 2004 International School Bus. It's equipped with a DT466 turbo diesel engine and an Allison transmission. And we're gonna be converting this into a Skoolie. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that bell notification so you can follow us along with this project. And let's see what comes of it. One down, a lot more to go. We got this whole row done. Just have to get that front little spot right up there. All these are already unbolted. There's got one bolt in each of them left. Then we're home free. Alright, just got the last seat unbolted. Time to take these all out, clean up this place a little bit, and then we'll move on. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that bell notification so you don't miss out on a single moment of this build. It's going to be a long process, but it's going to be a lot of fun. See you on the next one.